Off the mark, with a boundary.
Such a pleasant way to get your innings off, and that to Naseem Shah. We know that how quality he is, what kind of bowler he's become, out swingers and consistent line and length. A little bit of...
That's 4. That is 4.
Now that is some shot. Naseem Shah just erring a little.
Oh, out, taken. He's juiced it up here, but this time he whacks it halfway down with a cutter, and he deceives him with pace.
From 149 to 117, that's Naseem Shah for you. He'll always keep teasing you. And got him.
Charmika Karunaratne. Mendez has been knocked over.
Karunaratne's eyes were almost popping out of the socket. He absolutely loved it. That ball probably kept it.
Gone. That's the third. Nuwanindu Fernando takes a blinder because that was travelling.
Not the pitch for a batsman to play the ball early. And that's where...
Oh, he's got it through the gap. That'll be 4. He's powerful.
His name carries the tag of left arm leg spinner. His ball better. Last 2 deliveries are much more better. I wouldn't mind that. Batsman had to take few risks playing against the turn. End of the power play is 40 for 3.
Mid-on gets underneath it. Dhananjay De Silva has done something very, very silly. He slowed it up. And De Silva only can find Iftikhar Ahmed in the deep.
That's the way to go. As a bowler, when you bowl it slower, a bit of flight.
That is a great shot, powerfully struck. Got nice and low.
Maybe Mohammad Haris can have a look at how to...
That is better. Another slower delivery, but got the width.
It's just too slow and picked off. Karunaratne is trying his luck with a lot of slow ones.
That's gone the distance. That's massive. That's a 6. Great way to finish the over. 4 and a 6. 89 for 4. Oh, good one. Good follow-up. Boundary. 50 partnership. That's rubbing salt into the wound. Beautifully driven.
He hits the ball with brute force.
Batting genes.
Oh, that muscled over long on. Well, I don't know where he got the genes from, but that is real power.
Wrangler, maybe? But this really was fantastic.
Final few overs. And it's showing. It is showing. That is big.
That's a 100-meter monster, or close to 100 meter. This really traveled. In his radar, and Sanat Jayasuriya would have been proud of that.
He goes back to the length again, and it's exactly the same result. I want to commend the stroke play, but out. Ross has to go, but he's done some serious damage.
Well, he's a great bowler, great talent. But Tirana will only 19 or 20, but...
And this will help.
It's a mini 6 by standards. was hit. A couple of monsters. The slow ball picked and deposited over the fence, and Naseem Shah clearly disappointed. Probably needed a
Finish. Goes back to the Yorker, but smashed for 4 through extra cover. That is a serious innings by Ben McDermott. He's unbeaten on 69 of just 46 deliveries. It took him some time to get going, but when he did, my oh my, was he impressive.
Good shape into the right-hander. Yep, he waited for that. He picked it up early, Patu Nisanka. That's 4,000 rupees.
And he spotted that slow delivery very early. He played that stroke with conviction.
Oh yes, digs it in, and Patu Nisanka, it gets big on him. Ragamarambo celebrates.
Yeah, he's been pitching the ball up consistently. This is the first time he changed the length.
Oh, lovely. Through the line goes Dickwella and all the way. What a shot.
You're not bad at all for your second ball. It's there.
Gets just enough. Kusal Mendes cannot believe it, that it's looped over his head.
He's not allowing the bowler to run away. He must be thinking, where should I bowl to this man? He's tried, fuller length, back of the length.
Strokes.
Hold him. Janit Lianage strikes. He's gone across a little too much.
Whilst the invention brought about boundaries, it's also brought about his dismissal. Just goes one.
This time it's square. That'll be another boundary. Brilliant batting.
This is a young Sri Lankan batter that has really promised a lot and is being held in high esteem, and someone that most people...
Straight. Great use of the feet. And the 50 comes up for the strikers. 53 for 2. Oh, no timing. Can he get back to take the catch? And he has. That's a huge moment in this run chase. Hassan Ali wins the battle.
winking him towards the exit. Hassan Ali has the last laugh. Babar Azam getting just a little bit uptight. He wanted to clear the infield, didn't middle it. The good precious catch. Hassan Ali wins this little battle.
Oh, that's close. That's going to be close, so they're going to have a think about it. Oh, he's given him. He has given him. This is an LBW decision, so they will have a quick discussion. Will they go upstairs?
Ball was very close to the bat. I'll try to confirm whether any batting was there, please. Copy that. Waiting for I'll try cylinder.
That's nicely timed into the gap. And that will be a boundary. Beautiful shot.
That's the second classy shot that he's played earlier against Dhananjay. Played a lovely cover drive. This one just a flick.
Oh boy, he's gone. Great catch. That ball stopped on him. Nuanindu Fernando. We were just praising him, but praise, all praise to Dushan Hemantha.
Just the type of character who makes things happen. Been might in the way.
Well, that'll go for 4, and it's cut away for 4. Nicely placed between those two men.
That'll go fine. That'll be the boundary. Well, it's the two overseas players who did it. But Dambulla and Mohammad Nawaz Iftikhar do the same.
It's about partnerships again. It's just
Oh, he's chopped him on. Brilliant bowling. He's bowled 4 very good overs. And he's picked up one here.
Yeah, it was the change of trajectory, wasn't it? He's been flighting the ball, flighting. Bowled him. He lands that one in the correct place. And it does bring to an end, though, a very good spell of bowling by Noor Ahmed.
They're trying to check the front foot here. He's struggling.
And in the deep. And it's held. Finally, one has been held. Avisca Fernando.
Swing for the heels, that's what we tried. The timing just not coming their way. Thought it was friendly batter, now I'm having my doubts.
Who wants it? Who wants it? Held. Noor Ahmed. He's dried his arms, he's dried his hands, and he's given Hassan Ali another wicket.
Easy scalps for Hassan Ali. He's having a ball out there. Fans are getting disgruntled, disappointed because if no plan, and caught behind, finally done, all out. 19.3 overs of misery, agony has come to an end.
वेलकम बैक टू माय HSP स्पोर्ट चैनल। तो फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद है कि आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। तो वेलकम अगेन हमारे चैनल पर। तो आज मैं फ्रेंड्स बात करने लगा हूँ LPL के मैच 16 के बारे में, जो कि कोलंबो स्ट्राइक और दम्बुल्ला ओरा के दरमियान में खेला, जो कि बाबर आजम और हसन अली की टीम के दरमियान में खेला गया। बाबर आजम, इफ्तिखार अहमद, नवाज आज कुछ भी नहीं कर सके, लेकिन आज का मैच कोलंबो स्ट्राइक फिर मैच हार चुकी है। आज अगर एक और मैच हारती है कोलंबो स्ट्राइक तो इसके लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल हो जाएगा क्वालिफाई करने के लिए। दम्बुल्ला और जो कि अपना आज का मैच विन कर गई है। आज ना कोई बेन मैकटरमूड ने अच्छी नहीं खेली और साथ में उनका साथ दिया। बेन मैकटरमूड ने रोस ने अच्छा साथ दिया और इस मैच को विन कर लिया है आज दम्बुल्ला ओरा ने। तो आज का मैच कोलंबो स्ट्राइक हार चुकी है, तो इस तरह आज लगातार अपना दूसरा मैच हार चुकी है। तो इसके लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल हो गया कोलंबो स्ट्राइक के लिए अभी इसको क्वालिफाई करना। बाबर आजम की टीम है, इफ्तिखार अहमद ने इतनी बॉल डॉट की, उसके बाद ऐसा लग रहा था कि बाद लास्ट में आके अच्छा करेंगे, लेकिन बॉल्ड हो गए। तो आज उम्मीद है आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।